In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Figma. Cropping in Figma is fast, flexible, and non-destructive, which means you can refine the visible area of an image without permanently changing the original file. To get started, open your design so the image you want to adjust is visible on the canvas. One of the quickest ways to crop is with a simple double-click. Select the image layer, then double-click it. You'll see blue handles appear around the edges and corners. Drag those handles inward to hide the parts you don't need and tighten the framing around your subject. As you drag, you'll see a live update of the composition, so take a moment to find a clean, balanced crop that supports your layout. If you are aligning to grids or other elements, let the smart guides help you keep things neat. If you prefer a dedicated control, use the toolbar option. Click the image once to select it. Then click the crop image icon in the top toolbar, or use the same icon in the right-hand panel. You'll get the same blue crop bounds you saw with the double-click method. Drag the sides or corners to refine the crop until your image sits just right in your frame. This approach is great when you want a clear intentional crop state that you can revisit as your design evolves. For a fast trim, T here is also an instant gesture. Hold Ctrl while clicking and dragging the corners of the image. This gives you a quick, responsive way to crop on the fly. Especially handy for small adjustments when you are polishing a layout. Keep an eye on the edges so important content doesn't get clipped unexpectedly, and work at a comfortable zoom level for precise control. When you need something other than a rectangle like a circle, triangle, or a custom shape, use masking. Place a shape layer directly below your image. Select both the shape and the image and click the Use as Mask icon in the top toolbar. Figma will reveal only the parts of the image that sit within the shape, giving you a clean, non-rectangular crop. This is perfect for circular avatars, rounded thumbnails, and creative compositions that match your brand's style. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.